In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get or give admin permissions to your friends or to yourself on Hytale. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just a quick reminder that you can use the Creator Code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So if you are not OP or if you are not admin on Hytale, you can put /help and you will see the commands you can do. So in my case, I don't have the admin permissions yet, so those are the only commands I can use. But if I give myself OP permissions or admin permissions, just by opening the chat with enter and then put /op self, and this will give admin permissions to yourself. Now I can use /help and you will see you can use a lot of different commands. So this way you can, for example, use TP, you can ban someone, you can spawn anything, and a lot of different things. And you can use the same command to give OP to a friend, just by putting OP add and the nickname of your friend. So that's it. That's how you can give admin permissions on Hytale. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.